Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video. Today I want to share the salt art collection that I've been working on for the past few months or so. Got a variety of salty superheroes. Those suggestions came from you guys. Thanks to everyone who participated, that is amazing. I have those salt drawings, they're just in my second studio space and I'm going to take the camera over there in just a moment. There is a preview here. I've got some salty superheroes hanging around, where we got here and here. And entirely drawn with just the salt shaker and little cardstocks of paper just to sort of move the salt around. Okay, so let's go over to the second studio space. And yeah, this is my second studio. I still have some things I'll probably set up in here eventually, but I do have my salty superhero collection, which is right here. Okay, so these suggestions, like I mentioned, came from you guys, so thank you so much. And I'll start over here, which I think is probably the oldest. And so we got the Avengers logo, and we got the Homecoming Spider-Man. And some of these have like a lot of salt on them. So you can see here that it can be moved very easily. And I will save and recollect all of this salt so that I can use it for future salt drawings. If you guys have any suggestions for future salt drawings that you think would be fun to see or challenging for me to create, I would love to hear those in the comment section. We got the Black Panther here, we got the Flash, and of course the most recent one was Venom. So I will be collecting these and reusing these surfaces. These are whiteboards that I flipped upside down and I put this black cardstock on here, and then I just use them for salt drawings. But what I think I want to do is I'll recollect all of the salt, flip them over, take the cardstock off, and start using them for some drawings, some whiteboard drawings. In fact, some two-handed drawings. So this is my current superhero collection of two-handed drawings, and I'll show you those. We got the Incredible Hulk. You can see, I mean, this is very fragile, right? Over here, some of his hair, he's losing his hair! But I will redraw that in there and save Mr. Hulk. He's always been, especially when I was a kid, my favorite superhero, and like, look at that guy. I mean, what a beast, right? So that was a two-handed drawing of the Hulk, and then again, this was part of the 5 creative ways to draw a Venom video. That's the two-handed drawing of Venom. But I'd like to continue doing those drawings. I really enjoy them. And so what I'm gonna do is use all of these, the 6 little whiteboards here, to create some two-handed drawings for you guys. But I want those character suggestions to come from you guys. I think there's another thing I wanted to share with you. I think eventually I'd like to get a camera on the ceiling somehow. That's kind of one of my goals, so that I can film larger projects here on the ground. Like what I'd like to eventually get is some black fabric here, or a black sheet of paper, and then have a camera, maybe a GoPro or something above, and then do some really large salt drawings. I think that'd be amazing. I really want to do that, so hopefully sometime soon. So there you go, that is the second studio space, and that is my salt art collection. Now, going forward, looking for some Marvel or DC characters that you'd like to see drawn on the whiteboard. Okay, let's take you back over here. There's something I do really want to thank you guys for so much, is that the channel is crossing a milestone very soon, probably by next weekend. The channel will have crossed a milestone, which is epic, and I've been waiting for it patiently for a number of years. Let's grab a chalk here, and so I want to thank you guys, everyone who participates in the channel. The channel currently has 4,992 subscribers. That is amazing. I'm so close to 5,000. And I suspect by tomorrow or the next day I should be at 5,000. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. That is amazing. It's coming sooner than I thought. I don't know what video I will do, but my original intention was to do a giveaway once I reached 5,000, just as a way to thank you guys. So I have a variety of art prints here that you can see. There's other options, you know, like this is kind of my Etsy store right here. These are all frames and stuff and prints that are on my Etsy account. So maybe I give away some of those. But if you guys have any requests, then all you gotta do is ask. And again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. That's very, very cool. And I look forward to creating more content for you guys and getting closer to 10,000 and keep those numbers rising. Of course, it'd be cool to see the channel continue to grow. I want to thank you for watching. My name is Kitslam, and I'll see you in the next one.